Michael Wittmann is credited with destroying 138 tanks and 132 anti-tank guns, mostly on the Eastern Front. Lafayette G. Poole, known as America's Ace of Aces, Poole destroyed 12 tanks, 246 other armored vehicles. Dmitry Lavrenyenko, the highest-scoring Soviet tank ace, destroyed 52 German tanks in just 2 months, October-November 1941, during the defense of Moscow. Otto Carius claimed over 150 tank destroying, mostly on the Eastern Front. He excelled in defensive actions, like at Malanova in 1944. Zinovy Kolobanov, in August 1941, ambushed a German column near Leningrad, destroying 43 tanks in a single engagement, a record for one battle, using superior positioning and tactics. Sidney Valpy Radley Walters destroyed 18 German tanks, possibly up to 30 during the Normandy campaign, one of the top Allied tank aces in Western Europe. Kurt Knispel, with over 168 confirmed tank destroying, was arguably the war's top tank gunner, mostly on the Eastern Front. Creighton Abrams led the 37th Tank Battalion in Shermans, breaking through German lines at Bastogne in 1944, and his aggressive tactics earned him fame. Paul Egger, credited with destroying 113 tanks, mostly on the Eastern Front.